Hi guys, namhlanje ngilifundisa imaths. So this is the way how to integrate tan x, right? Using what? Using U-Substitution. So you just need to say, basically you just need to express this. Simplify tan x. Tan x is equal to sin x divided by cos x, right? Integral of what? Integral of sin x divided by cos x multiplied by dx, right? So tan x is equal to sin x divided by cos x, right? Then from here you just need to say let, if you want to integrate this tan x, let u equal to cos x. Let u equal to cos x. Then du over dx. The first prime of cos x is equal to negative sin x. The first prime of cos x is equal to negative sin x. But the first prime of sin x is equal to cos x, not negative cos x. Then du is equal to minus sin x multiplied by dx. Right? Then after, try to make dx the subject of the formula by dividing both sides by what? By negative sin x. Both sides by negative sin x. Then our dx, this is our dx. Our dx is equal to du over negative sin x, right? Then replace your dx with du over negative sin x. Replace your dx, this is your dx, replace it with what? With du over negative sin x, because your dx is equal to du over negative sin x. Then integral of sin x divided by cos x. Our cos x is equal to u, because here we have said let u equal to cos x, meaning that we are going to replace cos x with u. Then our dx is going to be replaced by du over negative sin x. Dx is equal to du divided by negative sin x. Here we have the multiplication sign, which means this and this will cancel up. But we have the negative side, the negative sign, right? Which means here we have integration of negative du over u, which means this thing can also be written in the form of negative integral of 1 over u du. What is the integral? What is the integration of? What is the integral of 1 over x? The integral of this is equal to ln x, right? Yes, which means the integral of 1 over u is equal to what? Is equal to ln of u is equal to negative, don't forget this negative sign, is equal to negative ln of u plus c, then your u is equal to cos x, which means the final answer is negative ln of cos x plus c. This negative sign can also be taken to this portion, right? Or you can just leave your answer in this form. That's not a problem. So we have our answer, which is negative ln cos x plus c. This is our final answer, guys. It's a negative natural log of cos x. Yes, of cos x plus c. So this is our final answer. So this is the integral of what? This is the integral of tan x. This is the integral of tan x plus c. Please. Thanks for watching, guys.